In this video we will explain the process of how to add new data to existing Excel storyboard through Burden Cloud application. This is the login page of the Bird application. Please log in as a creator with the provided username and password details. Once logged in, click on Create Report option, which is available on the left side of the home page. You will get a connections window page as shown. From here select the Excel connection. It opens the Excel connection. Click on Add to Existing Report tab. Please choose Existing Excel Report in the Select drop-down. Browse the previously selected Excel file having new data and click on Next. Click Next in the Define Sheets tab. It redirects to Modify Entities screen. User is adding new data to existing storyboard, so this page is in read-only mode. User cannot change display names and business semantic names. On clicking the Next button, the user will be shown the data in Final Preview screen. Click on Finish. New data getting added into existing storyboard. Now you can save the report from the More options by clicking on the Save Storyboard. This is how we can add new data to existing Excel storyboard in Bird application by using the Excel connector. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you.